Greetings. Before we go deep into the woods, begin by finding a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, feeling your chest expand, and slowly exhale, releasing any tension or stress. As you settle into this moment, imagine yourself in a beautiful meadow surrounded by vibrant flowers and tall swaying grass. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the gentle breeze brushing against your face. Enter the woods. Now, picture a crystal clear river winding its way through the meadow. It flows gracefully, carrying with it the energy of renewal and healing. Imagine yourself dipping your toes into the cool, refreshing water, feeling its cleansing power washing all over you. As you stand by the river, allow yourself to let go. Let go of any worries. Let go of any concerns weighing on your mind. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter. Feel yourself becoming more at peace. As the day turns to night, gaze up at the vast expanse of the starlit sky above you. Each twinkling star holds the wisdom of the universe, guiding you on your journey of self-discovery and healing. Now, imagine yourself walking through a tranquil forest, the earth beneath your feet, soft and inviting. Listen to the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze and the distant chirping of birds. Feel the connection between yourself and the natural world around you. Now, visualize radiant light glowing at the center of your chest, glowing brighter and brighter with each passing moment. This is the spark of divine energy within you, the source of your healing power. As you focus on this inner light, imagine it expanding outward, filling every corner of your being with warmth and love. Feel it illuminating any areas of darkness or discomfort, bringing clarity and peace. Before we exit the woods, envision yourself standing atop a majestic mountain, overlooking a breathtaking vista below. You are filled with a sense of gratitude. You are filled with a sense of empowerment. And you know that you hold the key to your own healing journey. As you slowly return to the present moment, carry with you a sense of peace and renewal. A sense of peace and renewal you've cultivated during this meditation. Know that you have the power within you, to create positive change in your life, one breath at a time. Thank you.